He's looking at the buttons. Oh, you got it started, honey. Oh my god! Get it started! Oh, what happened?
Oh no!
Oh no! Oh no! Does that the noise stack anymore? What's going on? He actually scared of it. Oh, Jonathan, you trapped it. Guess what? You trapped it. It doesn't know how to get out. Oh, get out.
Okay, actually, put her stuff.
I'm kind of concerned that he will push the button all the time now. Don't break Mom's $300 vacuum, okay? He's actually scared. Why are you starting it? Huh? You feel scared of it? You feel scared of it. Why are you starting that then?